dish going over to Erin. See how thick the ice crusting is. Looking back at the bells, it's really very pretty up here. Everything with a thick layer of frost except the orthogons, which of course generate their own some heat. There's the dish going over to 6041. Back through there again. GPS cone had probably a 2-inch layer of ice covering the whole thing. Just like that dish. That's all clear. Get this one over here. This one's not as bad. There we go. I think that should help greatly. Let's get a look out some of these windows once. That's looking to the southwest, or I'm sorry, northwest. That would be more north. Uh-oh, here go the bells. Too bad. At least it didn't rev them both up. It's when they rev them both up that it really gets outrageous up here.